Welcome once again, and let's talk about Coinbase. Now, from the gathering, from the information, from the things that's really going on right now, I think Coinbase listing Terra Classic is about to happen. Coinbase listing is about to happen because even some people actually confirm that there's a transaction that is going on. I believe Coinbase is trying to buy Terra Classic coin. And remember, when they buy this coin, for Coinbase to come and buy Terra Classic coin worth in millions of dollars, that simply means I'm thinking they are about to list Terra Classic. But if that is true, that they are really buying millions of dollars worth of Terra Classic, that is the listing of Terra Classic is already confirmed, because what some of these exchanges do is when they are about to list a particular coin, you will see them buying such coin. Okay, you see sometimes Binance will buy such coin, then Binance will list that coin, knowing that when they buy this coin and list the coin, you will see people will start rushing, and then the coin will also gain some percentage. But then you see them making profit already. Cryptocurrency is business, okay? Like I normally tell people, even in football, everything is business. The fans need trophy, while the owners of the clubs need money. That is just it. Most of them are not even after the trophy. Most of them, they're after for you to make money, clubs to make money. Why the fans need trophy. That's the way it works. Same thing goes to cryptocurrency. Most of these exchanges also need money. They are in there for business. So they know listing this coin will definitely help the coin to grow. So what do they do? They want to buy the coin earlier before listing the coin, so people benefit. Of course, we hear news that Binance listing this coin, so the coin start increasing. Okay, so for Coinbase, if the news is truly that Coinbase are buying Terra Classic worth of millions, I think then it is confirmed. Maybe it is confirmed that maybe they are planning to list this coin, and it's going to really be one of the best things that will happen to Terra Classic if that can really happen earlier this year, in the earlier of this 2023, because some people expected that for Coinbase to list Terra Classic before maybe towards the middle of this year or towards the ending of this year. That might be the period Coinbase might be listing in Terra Classic. But I think if they can list it between this month or next month or before April, it is going to be of benefit, because before the end of this year, it simply means Terra Classic will be pushing higher. Terra Classic will be increasing in price, and I'm hoping that Coinbase will fully come in to support Terra Classic coin, and let's hope for the best to happen before the end of this year. But for Coinbase, that is what we are really hoping for, because Coinbase listing is going to be the biggest listing of 2023. Okay, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be a bomb. Terra Classic is going to experience a massive increase in price. So remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.